other states have defended their laws, and there are several different versions of it, of how you could collect an internet sales tax and make those companies collect it. It's easy now. You know, there's software available to tell you which cities have a higher sales tax, and all those things are easily handled. And in fact, some larger internet companies are in agreement with the states to collect that. So I think we can do that. That'll raise approximately 130 million. But that's just a gap that we have in a deficit. Well, I quietly try to, advise legislators when they ask. On some of those bills, I wish they would come over here. I mean, we've got lawyers that have been here around the state government for 40 years that can help advise on drafting some legislation. We need some work on our gun laws. They've done a patchwork that's created some confusion in what the law is, and we've tried to write it as best we can in support of the Second Amendment. But there's a lot of areas that they need a little work. Hopefully they've gotten the social bills out of their system. I think the business people have advised them they need to be concerned about the economy. We got $750 million that I helped recover in working with the governor. In economic damages, we've already got a $150 million check. I think the vast majority of that should go to the coast where people were harmed. I'm concerned that the legislature is going to try to spend it because they've created a budget deficit of about $130 million at a bare minimum. They gave these large corporate tax cuts, and that has not stimulated our state economy. I think it's good politics. Is it good government? I don't think so. I think it's a waste of their time. I think there's some waste in state government, but with Governor Barber, I mean, he bared down on state agencies. I mean, we've been doing this for 13, 14 years of looking at these agencies, and I represent all these agencies. I see how they're down to bare bones budgets, and their cuts are getting us sued. And I try to tell them, don't cut the Department of Mental Health because the federal government is going to sue us. I think in Mississippi, people vote for who they like. Somebody that they can identify with that will get things done, and so that's still the largest swing vote. Maybe it's a third Republican and a third Democrat. There's a third of the population in the middle who want to vote for somebody that they identify with, and so I don't think it's as much about party as some would like to make it be. It's about who they like, and these things swing back and forth. I mean, we see it with our presidency every 8 years. Just about the presidency is going to swing to the other party. The presidency is going to swing to the other party. So, in our state, I think it'll change here.